Hi, it's Eldar, and in this video we're going to talk about Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the most important and the most popular website we can use to track the performance of our websites. And thankfully, setting it up is very easy. All you need to do is create the new account, the new property. Google Analytics will give you the code and you just add it to your website. So let me show you how we can do that inside Blocs. So first of all, let's go to Google Analytics website. So from here, I will go to admin and I will create the new account. So let's name it Nastasiko new website, and we will leave everything as it is. And we have a choice to make. We can make this for web apps or both. Of course, we're talking about website here, so I will select the first one, click next, and we need to give the name to this website. So let's say this is the Nastasiko Cook. And we will set the URL. So I'm using the SSL certificate, so I will be selecting the HTTPS and I will put the URL here. So let's select the industry, food and drink, and time zone. So after that, we just click on create button, agree to terms and conditions. Of course, if you want, you need to read them. And after you accept them, you now have the new Nastasiko Cook property in your Google Analytics account, and it will give you this code. So you just copy that. If we go to project settings, here we have this analytics tracking code. And as you can see, I already have some code here because this website is live, but you can add your code here, and after a few hours, you will start to see the data appear on your website. So let's go to the home page here. And so this is the new website I just added here. I think I already added this website a couple of days ago. So I will select it. And this one is still very new and there is a lot of statistic to look here, but you can see that we have a lot of options here on the sidebar. For example, we can track real time how many people are visiting this website right now. So we can see that somebody from Spain is on our website right now, probably my wife. Then we can go to audience, and here we can learn everything about the people who are visiting our website. So we can see what language they're using, we can see their location, what devices they are using, and so on. And more importantly, we have the traffic sources, for example, so we can see what are the top channels. So we can see that most of the people are coming directly or through the social media to this website. And these are probably just friends and family because it's the new website, it's not out yet, it's not even indexed by Google, I think. And we can see the referrals, so Instagram, Facebook, and some other websites. And another thing we can see here is we can go to behavior, and we can go, let's say, to overview first, and from here we can easily see which pages are attracting more visitors. We can go and click here to see the page title, so it's easier for us to understand. If you spend a couple of hours, you will learn so much about Google Analytics. I'm still getting used to everything, and there are just a few things I use it for all the time. But yeah, I mean, you can go through the options we have in the sidebar here and learn a lot about the performance of your website. So this is the Google Analytics. I highly recommend you use it. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will continue to talk to you in the next one.